Pronounced, defined, used in lexical dispatch.
Amity, noun. Amicable, amiable, amities. A state of friendship and peaceful harmony between individuals or groups. Mutual understanding and goodwill, especially in diplomatic or social relations. For example, the treaty fostered amity between the nations. A personal bond of cordiality, for example, their amity endured despite disagreements. Literary, a former alliance or pact of friendship, for example, 17th century text referencing leagues of amity. Amity, noun, friendly relations. The two nations maintain amity despite their historical conflicts. The treaty was signed in a spirit of amity and mutual respect. Cultural exchanges fostered amity between the neighboring countries. The mayor emphasized the importance of amity in building a cohesive community. Their amity was evident in the way they collaborated on the project. Amicable, adjective, characterized by friendliness. The divorce was surprisingly amicable, with both parties agreeing on terms. They reached an amicable settlement after weeks of negotiation. Despite their rivalry, their relationship remained amicable. The meeting ended on an amicable note with promises of future cooperation. An amicable resolution is preferable to prolonged litigation. Amicably, adverb, in a friendly manner. The dispute was resolved amicably, without legal intervention. They parted ways amicably, with no hard feelings. The team worked amicably to complete the project ahead of schedule. Neighbors should strive to coexist amicably. The merger was negotiated amicably between the two CEOs. Amity is a high-frequency term in standardized tests, often appearing in reading passages, synonym questions, or analogy sections. Amicable and amicably are more commonly tested than amity due to their broader applicability in describing relationships or resolutions. Likely question formats, synonym selection. The leaders sought to maintain amity between the nations. Options: friendship, correct. Hostility, indifference, rivalry. The discussion ended amicably. Options: peacefully, correct. Abruptly, angrily, reluctantly. Analogies: amity versus enmity. Friendly relations versus hostile relations. Amicable versus contentious. Friendly versus argumentative. Sentence completion. Despite their differences, the two colleagues worked together in blank. Correct. Amity or an amicable manner. Common confusables. Amity versus enmity. Direct antonym. Amicable versus hostile. Combative. Adversarial. Amicably versus contentiously. Antagonistically. Relevant idioms or proverbs. To bury the hatchet. To make peace is conceptually related to amity. Good fences make good neighbors. Implies friendly relations through boundaries. Test-taking strategies. If asked for a synonym, think friendship or harmony for amity. Peaceful or cooperative or amicable. In analogies, amity often pairs with positive relational terms. For example, amity is to cooperation as enmity is to conflict. For sentence completions, context clues like peaceful, friendly, or mutual respect signal amity or its derivatives.